Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well, yes you specifically. This is going to be a bit of a shorter video unboxing and taking a closer look at the brand new transparent Xbox Sky Cipher Controller that released yesterday. As soon as I saw the announcement I knew I had to get it. It fits my whole setup aesthetic so well, and honestly I felt a little bit targeted by Xbox as this is one of the best looking controllers they've ever released. Also, I am a huge fan of transparent tech. Growing up in the cool era of wild tech design where transparency was very common, I am happy to see a return of this now retro style design. The controller arrived in this striking packaging that outlines the key features of the controller, but enough about that, let's get this box open and take a look inside. I've got no idea if the camera is going to convey this well enough, but this blue is just so beautiful. It's really vibrant but without looking over the top, which is great. Of course, if you don't like blue then you might feel differently, but I really adore this colour. Inside the box you of course get the well presented Sky Cipher controller, 2 batteries underneath that, and then some cheeky hidden paperwork underneath the packaging. There's also this handy little connection guide for those of you that need it. The Sky Cipher Special Edition wireless controller costs £65 and features a gorgeous transparent but textured top casing, sky blue rubber grips on the rear, metallic blue triggers and D-pad, and of course Bluetooth technology so you can use this with your Xbox consoles, PC and even mobile devices. I personally really like the contrast of the lighter sky blue grips, and the metallic elements on the controller really make it stand out. One really cool idea they included was to make the interior of the controller a shiny silver colour to allow the light to reflect and really enhance the transparency effect. The controller is incredibly comfortable to hold and use, especially with the included rear grips, and all of the buttons feel great to press, especially that metallic D-pad. Of course, as this is a Series X and S controller, it features everything that you'd expect, including a battery slot that's compatible with battery packs, as well as your headphone jack, accessory port, USB Type-C port for charging and wired use, and of course the sync button for connecting to various devices. And I think there's just enough time for button ASMR. Overall, I really love the Sky Cipher controller. The beautiful blue is perfectly complemented by transparent and metallic elements to create a visually appealing but incredibly functional Xbox controller. Thank you all so much for watching this little video, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya!